Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 501, and today we're talking about hiring other photographers. I received this question 3 times alone in just this past week, so I thought I would address it via video. But my daughter Ella is going into her senior year. She's graduating in the class of 2020, which is crazy because I remember when she was born or shortly thereafter, we calculated when she would graduate. In 2020 sounded like it was so far away. Yet here we are. Okay, so I made the decision to hire my friend Susie from Photography by Susie to do Ella's senior photos. And I have a lot of friends that ask me, or they say, oh, when are you taking Ella's senior photos? I just assumed that you would be taking them. Well, okay, number one, honestly, I'm a wedding photographer. And while I have done senior photos, and certainly I know how to use my camera, they are not my specialty. And number two, I wanted Ella to have the whole experience. I didn't want it to be from me. And do your kids listen to you? Okay, she's almost 17 years old. She would be very cooperative for her photos with me. There's no question. But I just wanted her to experience it from a different angle. You know, I wanted to be an actual client of another photographer. So I decided to hire my friend Susie for a few reasons. Number one, I think she has phenomenal work. Now, I work with a lot of senior photographers who are exceptional. Susie is a close friend of mine and we've been friends. I mentored her starting her career over a decade ago. She also lives close by. We do a lot of work together in the Flourish Academy, so it just made sense. And yes, I am paying her in spite of the fact that she asked me not to. Why? Because I think it's a respect thing. Her schedule is very busy with seniors, and I don't want to take one of her spots as an unpaying client when she can get someone to pay her. So I am absolutely paying. Actually, I already have paid her, even though she did not wish to accept my money. But I think people are surprised that I'm hiring someone instead of doing it myself. I like to give people business. I like to pay other photographers. I like to encourage them. And I don't want to photograph my own kids' senior photos because I think that she will be more cooperative with Susie than she would for me. So that's coming up in a couple of weeks. I plan on being there and taking some behind the scenes video for our membership, the Flourish Academy membership. But Ella did tell me yesterday that her and Susie were talking on the sly, and Susie said, you know, if I have to ask your mom to leave, I will. So I'm going to try really hard not to be one of those moms. I don't think that I am. I stand back. Number one, I let the photographer do their job, and I don't interfere. Like, I'm not the type of mom that says, oh, your smile looks weird, or turn this way, or that doesn't look good. I 100% trust Susie and her judgment and her posing and her styling way more than I trust myself. And you know, there's a part of me that's certainly a control freak. I want things done a certain way, but I am totally unattached, detached from this, and it feels great. I'm just gonna pay someone else to do it, and then I don't have to deal with it. My friend Leanne does this as well. If you look at Leanne's Facebook page, you'll notice that she hires photographers all the time to do her family photos. And she's been doing that for years. She likes different styles. She likes to meet new photographers. She likes to give people business. She likes to pay them. And since she had her first child, Joy is 4 now, I believe, she has used a ton of different newborn photographers and family photographers over the years. And it's just really interesting to see. I don't want to photograph my own family. I don't. It's pretty hard anyway. So I would rather hire someone else. So hopefully that clears up any confusion as to why I wouldn't do them myself. I think you as photographers get this, but my friends, they think it's kind of absurd that I'm not taking her photos. Like, why would you pay someone when you could do it? Well, because I don't think I could do it that well. And I don't think that like regular people understand that as photographers, many of us have specialties that we're really good at and other areas where we're just not that great. And this is one of those cases. So I can't wait to share the videos, the behind the scenes, Ella's photos. That's coming up in mid-August. So I'll see you then.